48-hour upgrade bonus, only for serious action takers who want to make big money now. And you can't miss the 48-hour timer. Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, you will be rewarded with the next level of qualification. So what does that mean? This is a bonus that pays up to $2,000 per sale. So you can join at the $1,500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. So now you can make $1,500 or $3,500 per sale. Not 50%, not 25%, 100% or more. Now how do you get more? Okay, you get this, you take action in the first 48 hours because you're an action taker, right? Okay, you want to make big money. Well, this is the best bonus you can possibly get. Join at the $1,500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level for taking action inside this window. That means you can make up to $3,500 and you only paid $1,500 plus an admin fee. I'll give you more information, but you got to stay to the end of this video, okay? So, I want to show you some proof that you can actually trust me and that the training that we're going to have, the elite training we're going to have in this system, okay? How to make more and more money with Bitcoin, etc. Now, what is the high ticket lifestyle 5 forbidden truths, okay? So I'm going to hit search for that. You can see I'm in incognito mode, okay? The number 1 and number 2 result on YouTube is me, okay? You can see me right here and you can see there I am right here, etc. So that's a video from 4 days ago, and that's a video from 1 day ago. Number 1 result on YouTube and number 2 result on YouTube, and I'll show you my Google results in a moment. Okay, Google's harder, but I also did well with that too. And what the thing is, you can rank for any keyword for any these keywords for any company. Okay, it doesn't matter what company. So give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime, okay? The point is you can learn elite skills that will help you generationally, okay? That you can teach to your kids, that you can help send your kids to college or whatever your goal might be, to retire from your 9 to 5, etc., okay? This is the type of skills you can get. And the bonuses, okay? Do you want a PDF, okay? Or do you want a bonus that can actually pay you up to $2,000 more per sale, okay? Say, get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, you will be rewarded with the next level qualifications. That means join at the $500 level, get no upgrade. Okay, join at the $1,500 level. That's the sweet spot. Get qualified at the $3,500 level. So you can make $3,500 up to $3,500. And you only paid $1,500 plus an admin fee. One time. And you can make $3,500, $1,500, or $500 over and over and over again. Join the $3,500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. And join the $5,000 level, get epic $100,000 bonus. Again, it's this big yellow box that you can't possibly miss, okay? 48-hour, 100% free action taker bonus. A bonus that's not like a PDF that you may never open. It's up to $2,000 instantly to whatever payment processor you want, okay? Real money, okay? And elite high ticket commissions, 100% or more, okay? Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes, okay? Is the high ticket lifestyle legit? 3 absolute traps exposed. Is the high ticket lifestyle legit? Is it a scam or a real way to make money online? Examining the core mechanics of digital wealth generation requires stripping away the emotional noise and auditing the underlying economic infrastructure. Most skeptics approach online programs with a defensive mindset because they have been burned by low ticket traps and automated hype machines that promise instant riches for zero effort. The reality is that legitimate wealth creation requires robust architecture, conversion, leverage, and direct paid commissions that reward true operators rather than minimum wage digital hobbyists. Okay, when you evaluate the system design of a high-ticket model, you stop looking at flashy lifestyle claims and start analyzing the transaction flow. Examine how leads are captured, how friction is eliminated, and how professional closing teams handle the heavy lifting while you focus purely on directing targeted attention into the machine. This foundational shift separates casual observers from sovereign operators who understand that digital business is a mechanical science built on math and precision. Is the high-ticket lifestyle legit? How to make $500 a day with high-ticket affiliate marketing. The truth about digital sovereignty reveals that traditional employment and low-ticket affiliate marketing are two sides of the same collapsing coin. When you rely on a standard 9-to-5 paycheck or scrape together $20 commissions on rented social media platforms, you are running on a treadmill, designed to exhaust your energy while keeping you permanently dependent on external control structures. True sovereignty means owning your digital real estate, controlling your customer data, and routing high margin payouts directly to your own merchant accounts without middlemen holding your funds hostage. So what does that mean? It means you don't want the company holding your money for a month, 2 months, 3 months, or whatever, and you may not even get paid for these newer programs, okay? Building this level of independence, you get paid to whatever payment process you want right away, okay? Demands a complete rewiring of your psychological framework. You must transition from trading linear hours for a fixed hourly wage, 9 to 5, aka 9 to 5, to architecting automated systems that process transactions around the clock. By cutting ties with branded platforms and building your own sovereign engine, you reclaim your time, your focus, and your financial destiny. Is the high-ticket lifestyle legit? What are the real costs and hidden risks inside the back office? Deleting low-ticket traps forever is the only way to escape the relentless cycle of burnout and frustration that plagues modern entrepreneurs. Beginners are constantly conditioned to believing that selling low-cost products is the safest entry point into online business because the barrier to entry appears minimal. Okay? You get what you pay for. In practice, however, selling cheap items requires an astronomical volume of transactions, relentless traffic generation, and an endless stream of skeptical prospects just to cover basic living expenses. High-ticket architecture completely inverts this exhausting equation by focusing on high-margin strikes that deliver $500, $1,500, $3,500, and $5,000 payouts directly into your control. A single high-ticket transaction eliminates the need for dozens of micro sales, transforming your daily operations from a frantic struggle into a streamlined, predictable extraction process where every hour invested yields maximum financial leverage. Now I'm going to show you something. 3,500 divided by 20 equals 175. And some of these programs you don't even make $20 per transaction, per sale, okay? But let's say it's 20. That's one sale. You can do you can spend believe it or not, you can spend as much on a $3,500 transaction or less than you spend on one $20 sale. Okay, but you need 175 of these $20 sales to make $3,500. Would you rather do the work once or not at all, or once or 175 times? That's 175 sales. So how many people you need to talk to get 175 sales? A lot, right? Now check this out. What if I told you, I'm trying to find it right now. Give me a second. Okay, give me a half a second. I'll be right back. Bonus DFY call center. 100% automated commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. We make it easy for you. Questions? Call 1-800-771-0769. You listen to a 3-minute message, leave your name, your number, and the owner will call you back on my behalf and on your behalf, okay? And then they ask you who referred you, and if you're watching this video or you following me, you say JJ Solley, and they answer all your questions and all your people's questions, okay? So that just like they'll do for me, they will do for you. Never pick up the phone. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high-ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? 1-800-771-0769. So, again, you don't even have to talk to the person with this program, okay? Is the high-ticket lifestyle legit? Can beginners actually make money online without prior tech skills? Engineering your freedom requires building a bulletproof system that scales efficiently without demanding double your personal labor for every increment of growth. If your online business collapses the moment you step away from your desk for a weekend, you have simply constructed a more demanding job for yourself than a true enterprise. Scalability is achieved through robust automation, professional closing funnels, and outsourced operational friction that filters out unqualified projects before they even waste your time. So they call that number. If they can't listen to a 3-minute call and leave their information, okay, then they're not worth your time, okay, and they're not worth the owner's time, okay. When your initial lead screening is handled by automated messaging and your closing calls are managed by lead closers, your role shifts from overwhelmed customer service representative to a high-level strategist. This structural optimization ensures that your business can absorb higher traffic volume, handle complex market shifts, and generate consistent high-ticket revenue while you maintain absolute freedom of your daily life. Now, I promised you, and I want to get back to that I would show you the Google results too, not just the YouTube #1 and #2 result, right? So again, I'm in incognito mode. You can see right here, and you could search for the same terms, and I'm doing right now. But I usually do this in every video, okay? Look at the #1. This is AI. It doesn't count. It's like a search, like an ad, okay? #1 is make money online with JJ. That's me. What is a high ticket lifestyle? Again, 4 days ago, just like you saw on YouTube, okay? 4 days ago, this is my video, okay? #1 result on YouTube, #1 and #2 on YouTube, and #1 on Google, okay? And again, we are not afraid to teach you what others either scared to or don't know how to do, which is elite stuff like trading Bitcoin and making more and more money from one high ticket sale. You can make money for a lifetime, okay? Is the high ticket lifestyle legit? Justin Temple compensation plan 100% commission breakdown. The anatomy of a sovereign engine relies on replacing chaotic hustle with predictable mechanical processes that operate independently of your personal energy levels. Most aspiring entrepreneurs fail not only because they lack work ethic, but because they spend their entire day performing low leverage tasks that generate zero financial return. Okay, a true sovereign engine integrates traffic generation, automated filtering, high ticket offers, and a professional phone closing into a single unified pipeline. I showed you that before, right? Never pick up the phone. 100% automated commissions. Call 1-800-771-0769, right? By removing yourself from manual pitching process, you eliminate emotional resistance and allow the architecture to do the heavy lifting. This mechanical separation of duties ensures that every component serves a distinct purpose, maximizing your conversion efficiency while protecting your most valuable asset, which is your time. Now, is the high ticket lifestyle legit? 3 absolute traps exposed. I am JJ Solley, and why am I reading this to you? Well, you saw the results, right? And you can see results in every video I do, either Google or YouTube or both, okay? #1 and #2 on, #1 on Google, okay? #1 and #2 on YouTube, okay? From doing tasks like this over and over and over again. If you're at a slot machine that kept paying, would you leave or would you keep collecting the money? You put these things out here, they're here for years. I'm going to show you something right there. Okay, 10 months ago, 8 months ago, I'm sure I can find more. 10 months ago, 1 year ago, 1 year ago. These are evergreen assets that will be here for years, okay? And that's 2 hours ago. Hey, shout out to you. 1 year ago. This is evergreen traffic a year ago, okay? Do the work once and receive traffic for a lifetime from Google and YouTube, okay? Do the work once and somebody can see your video for years. Make sense? This is JJ Solley, aka John Solley, aka your friendly neighborhood Solley man, and this is my Is the High Ticket Lifestyle Legit 3 Absolute Traps Exposed video and blog. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Don't delay. Get with JJ today.